G'day mai, welcome to the 42nd Hauraki Cultural Festival right here at Kirepeihi. My name is Paul Sweeney, representing Te Hautanga, and I'll be giving you highlights of the competition on stage. Nāna you tēnā, whai mai a. Today it's about the poi, haka, pūkana and all the mana and taking your best to the stage. The first key item that sets the tone is the Whakaeke or entrance, but making an impression starts way before the stage. It's about the team.
You need to be confident, you need to have potential. You're not supposed to be whakama, and you have to have faith in yourself. Most of the time, kapa haka is about sharing the story of your whakapapa and where you come from. Like kura kaupapa around the motu, kapa haka is not just about on the stage, it's a part of everyday life.
Let's go.
Sometimes we fight, sometimes we argue, but at the end of the day we're all one big family.
One stage, 3 divisions, 20 comp groups, 5 non-comp groups. No matter what, rangatahi, tamariki from all over are representing. With great contenders at this year's Hauraki Cultural Festival, many come to check out the potential of these future haka stars. It can be pretty serious on stage, not just for the performers, but also for the supporters who have helped them get to this point. top, especially here at the 42nd Hauraki Cultural Festival. But it's been an amazing day, met some awesome people, watched some primo rōpu haka, ko Paeroa Sweeney Tane, and here's our winners for 2014. Hei konara!